If there's one thing that always grabs attention in the woodworking world, it's a project that looks like it came from a luxury furniture showroom but was actually built in a home workshop. That contrast is powerful. People love seeing ordinary wood transformed into something that feels premium, stylish, and surprisingly expensive. And that's exactly why elegant woodworking projects continue to perform so well in global search trends. Homeowners are constantly searching for modern furniture ideas, luxury-looking DIY decor, minimalist wood pieces, and handmade projects that make a home feel high-end without the high-end price tag. Welcome back to Decor Ideas. Today, we're bringing luxury design within reach. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're diving into 10 elegant woodworking projects that look incredibly expensive. These are the kinds of projects that instantly elevate a room, attract attention online, and even open the door to profitable handmade sales if you decide to turn your craft into a business. Some are decorative, some are practical, and some do both at the same time. But all of them share one important quality. They prove that thoughtful design, clean joinery, and a beautiful finish can make even simple wood look luxurious. Let's jump straight into it. Number 10. A floating bedside table in a Japandi style. We're starting with a project that has become incredibly popular in modern interior design, the floating bedside table. This piece is simple, clean, and very elegant, which is exactly why it feels expensive. The beauty of a floating bedside table is that it instantly makes a bedroom feel lighter and more modern. Because it doesn't touch the floor, the room looks less crowded, and that small visual trick gives it the same refined feel you'd expect from a boutique hotel or a designer apartment. A really elegant version of this project uses warm natural wood, soft rounded edges, and a hidden drawer or open shelf underneath. The Japandi influence is especially strong here because that design style combines Japanese simplicity with Scandinavian warmth. Instead of heavy hardware and complicated decoration, the focus stays on proportion, grain, and clean lines. A small drawer with a push-to-open mechanism makes it feel even more premium because you don't see any handles breaking the clean silhouette. This is the kind of project that looks expensive because it feels intentional. It doesn't need to be large or complicated. It just needs excellent finishing, balanced proportions, and one that looks rich and natural. Mounted next to a bed with a soft lamp, a ceramic vase, and neutral bedding, it instantly becomes a statement piece. Number 9. A modern wooden pedestal plant stand. Plant styling is one of the biggest home decor trends in the world right now, and that makes elegant plant stands a very smart woodworking project. But not just any plant stand. We're talking about a sculptural pedestal stand that looks like it belongs in a luxury interior design magazine. The reason this project looks expensive is because it turns a very simple function into a design feature. Instead of a basic stool or a square stand, imagine a pedestal with a soft organic shape, a solid round top, and a base made from stacked or curved wood sections that create a sculptural silhouette. Even when it's empty, it still looks like art. And once you place a plant, a vase, or a candle on top, it suddenly feels like one of those premium pieces people stop and admire. What makes this project perform well in search is that it speaks to multiple audiences at once. It works for people searching for indoor plant decor, modern wood crafts, luxury home styling, and even handmade gifts. It's also very flexible. You can build a taller pedestal for corners, a smaller one for countertops, or even create a matching set in different heights for a designer look. Number 8. A luxury wooden serving tray. Now this is one of those projects that might seem simple at first, but when done well, it looks incredibly expensive. A handcrafted serving tray made from beautiful hardwood can feel like a boutique home accessory, especially if the design is clean and the finish is flawless. Think about the difference between a cheap tray from a department store and a well-made wooden tray with mitered corners, elegant handles, and a rich, natural finish. One feels disposable. The other feels like something you'd proudly leave out on a coffee table or kitchen island all year long. And that's exactly what makes this project so strong. It's useful, decorative, and very giftable. An elegant tray can be used for serving drinks, styling candles, organizing perfumes, displaying coffee accessories, or simply making a countertop look more put together. That's why this type of project has such broad appeal. It's not just a woodworking project. It's a lifestyle piece. Add brass handles, subtle rounded corners, or contrasting wood tones, and it immediately moves into that expensive-looking category. Number 7. A slatted entryway bench. Few projects say designer home like a sleek wooden entryway bench. And when you give it a slatted seat, clean joinery, and a balanced silhouette, it starts looking like a piece that belongs in a high-end furniture showroom. The slatted bench works so well because it combines practicality with modern elegance. It can sit in an entryway, at the foot of a bed, along a hallway wall, or even in a covered patio space. And because benches are larger than small decor items, they naturally carry more visual weight in a room. That makes them excellent statement pieces. The key to making this bench look expensive is restraint. Avoid bulky proportions. Keep the frame clean. Let the spacing between the slats feel intentional and even. Use wood with attractive grain and finish it in a way that highlights warmth rather than covering it up. Add gently rounded corners or slightly tapered legs, and suddenly it looks custom-made for a luxury home. A bench like this photographs beautifully, performs well in search, and can be a strong money-making project if you're selling furniture locally. Number 6. A minimalist wooden wall sconce or lamp. If you love what you see, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It helps a small channel like ours grow so much. Lighting changes everything in a room, and that's why elegant wooden lighting projects can look so high-end. A modern wall sconce or table lamp made from wood doesn't just provide light. It creates mood, softness, and visual sophistication. This is one of the most underrated woodworking categories because it sits right at the intersection of decor and craftsmanship. Imagine a slim vertical wall sconce made from walnut with a hidden warm LED strip, or a geometric table lamp with clean lines, soft ambient light, and a base that feels sculptural rather than bulky. These are the kinds of pieces people search for when they want their home to feel more expensive without doing a full renovation. The reason wooden lamps feel luxurious is that they're unexpected. Most people think of metal, glass, or ceramic when they think about lighting. But what introduces warmth and uniqueness? When paired with minimal shapes and soft lighting, it creates a calm designer look that fits perfectly into modern bedrooms, living rooms, and reading corners. Number 5. A curved wooden mirror frame. Now we're getting into a project category that has exploded in popularity across social media and home decor trends: statement mirrors. And one of the most elegant ways to build one is with a handcrafted wooden frame, especially if the shape is curved, organic, or arch-inspired. A mirror on its own is functional, but a mirror with a beautiful wooden frame becomes wall art. It changes the atmosphere of a room. It reflects light, adds visual depth, and becomes a focal point. And because oversized mirrors are often expensive in retail stores, a handmade version can feel especially valuable. An elegant mirror frame can be tall and arched for a floor mirror, round and minimal for a bathroom or entryway, or softly irregular for a more artistic look. The key is smooth shaping and beautiful finishing. This is not a project where rough edges feel charming. This is a project where precision makes all the difference. When the curves are clean and the grain is highlighted properly, the result looks like something from a luxury design studio. Number 4. A wooden coffee table with hidden storage. A coffee table is one of the biggest visual anchors in a living room, so when it looks elegant, the whole room benefits. But when that coffee table also includes hidden storage, it becomes even more valuable because it combines style with everyday usefulness. An expensive-looking coffee table usually avoids unnecessary details. It might have a low modern profile. It might use thick wood panels with beautiful grain. It might have soft rounded corners, a slatted shelf underneath, or a lift-top section that hides storage inside. The design should feel calm and refined, not crowded. What makes this project especially smart is that people are constantly searching for living room furniture that is both beautiful and practical. Storage is a huge selling point. Hidden storage is even better because it keeps the room looking clean. If you can build a coffee table that stores remotes, books, blankets, or small living room clutter while still looking like a designer piece, you've created something with very strong search appeal and sales potential. Number 3. A set of wooden countertop risers. This may be the smallest project on the list, but don't underestimate it. Countertop risers are one of those home decor trends that exploded because they do something simple really well. They make everyday spaces look styled and expensive. A wooden riser is basically a low platform, often with 4 small legs, used to elevate items on a kitchen counter, bathroom vanity, coffee station, or shelf. But when made from rich wood with a smooth finish and elegant proportions, it instantly turns ordinary objects into a display. The soap dispenser and sponge suddenly look like curated decor. A candle and a plant on a bathroom counter suddenly feel spa-like. A coffee syrup bottle and sugar jar suddenly look like a cafe setup. The reason this project is so powerful is that it's small, beginner-friendly, and highly sellable. People love products that help them organize and decorate at the same time. And because countertop styling has become such a big part of social media home content, risers continue getting searched and shared. A matching set in different sizes can look especially premium. Number 2. A sculptural wooden side table. If there's one project that perfectly blends woodworking with interior design, it's the sculptural side table. This is where function meets art. A side table is useful, of course, but when the shape is bold and elegant, it becomes one of the most admired pieces in the room. The sculptural side table works because it doesn't need much to stand out. It might have a cylindrical base and a round top. It might use stacked wood forms to create a pedestal effect. It might feature gentle curves or a shape that feels almost carved rather than assembled. The goal is to make it look refined enough that people would assume it came from a designer furniture brand. This kind of project aligns beautifully with global trends in modern organic interiors. People are searching for furniture that feels soft, warm, and sculptural rather than cold and boxy. And wood is the perfect material for that because it naturally adds warmth and texture. A side table like this works in a living room, bedroom, reading corner, or entryway, and it photographs beautifully, which makes it ideal for YouTube thumbnails, Pinterest, and product listings. Number 1. A floating wooden media console. And finally, the number 1 elegant woodworking project that looks incredibly expensive is a floating wooden media console. This is one of the strongest luxury-looking projects you can build because it immediately changes the look of an entire living room. A floating media console feels custom. It feels architectural. It feels like the kind of piece that was designed specifically for the home, and that's exactly why it looks so premium. Mounted on the wall beneath a television, it creates a clean, modern look while also hiding clutter, electronics, and cables. The best versions of this project use long horizontal proportions, clean drawer fronts or flap-down doors, and a finish that highlights the natural beauty of the wood. And honestly, that's one of the most exciting things about woodworking. You're not just cutting boards and joining parts. You're shaping atmosphere. You're building the objects people live with every day. You're turning raw material into comfort, beauty, and style. So the next time you walk into your workshop and wonder what to build next, think beyond the project itself. Think about the room it could transform. Think about the feeling it could create. Think about the person who might use it every single day. Because when you build with that level of intention, you don't just make woodworking projects. You make pieces that look unforgettable. Thank you for watching. Sparkles, all the tools and decor pieces featured in today's video are linked in the description below. Subscribe and stay connected for more woodworking and decor projects. See you in the next project. Until next time, keep creating.